Hey guys, Ben here from If Nutrition, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to 5 supplements for gaining muscle mass. Now before we go on, I think it's important to note you do not need to take supplements as such to help you gain muscle, lose weight, whatever your body goal is, but there are definitely certain supplements that help make your life easier, give you a few little hacks and a few little assists. So I want to share those with you in today's video. So without further ado, let's get over to my first supplement, which is creatine monohydrate. It's been proven time and time again, it's probably the most tested sports supplement out there. It's got a lot of kick, a lot of bang for its buck. You only need to supplement with 5 grams a day, which is best taken after workout. A lot of people will put them in their kind of pre-workouts and things like that, but as long as you're kind of getting 5 grams a day, you don't need to load with it. You know, some people like to load with it. It was often thought you needed to load with it to kind of saturate the muscle quicker. But to be honest, 5 grams a day from the off, you don't need to kind of cycle it either. You can just keep taking it. Benefits are muscle strength and size. Obviously, it helps the muscle cells retain more water, get bigger. It's been shown to enable you to lift more. So people often find that after supplementing with creatine, they're able to kind of get extra couple of reps. They're able to jack the weight up a little bit more. And obviously, if you're lifting more, you're breaking your muscle down more and your muscle is going to grow bigger. Hence, you are going to increase your mass and size. The other benefits with creatine, improved muscle recovery and glycogen storage. Basically, creatine is basically in everybody's gym bag. So if you're interested in increasing strength and size, creatine. Check the important thing, check the other supplements that you might be taking. You will find that, like I said, in a lot of pre-workouts and things like that, they're already putting creatine in. So you just need to make sure that over a day's worth of supplementation, you're getting 5 grams and you're good to go. Supplement number 2, pre-workouts and intra-workouts. Now, these can help through a multitude of different ways. They range a little bit depending on the ingredients that are in each of them. But normally what you will find is in a pre-workout, you'll probably find creatine in a lot of them. You'll also find a stimulant such as caffeine. That's going to give you that buzz, that extra energy, so that when you go in, you're ready to kick ass. And that's going to help kind of get you through the fatigue, enable you to push that bit harder. Again, things like the creatine for what I've said in the previous point. But you will also find other things like pump products that will help increase the blood flow through the muscles, which will enable you to kind of push harder again before fatigue kicks in. And also it's going to give you the muscles that nice full effect and give you that really good pump, you know, the one you see people talking about when they've been in the gym and you suddenly think, Jesus, how come your arms have got that big? A lot of the time that's down to the pump product as well, and it just kind of helps get that pump, keep the blood flowing around the body and just enable you to kind of push that little bit harder and basically break your muscles down more, because as we all know, our muscles are built outside of the gym. We kind of destroy them in the gym, so the body has to rebuild them back bigger and stronger. So by taking pre and intra workouts, we're able to kind of push harder and longer, and by doing that we're able to break the muscle down more than we would without them. Therefore we're going to get more gains as a result. Supplement number 3, protein. You need to be getting enough protein. Our muscles are made up of protein. They need protein to be able to recover. If you are not getting ample protein supplementation, then you are going to be doing yourself a massive disservice. Now, depending on what your personal preference is, I normally recommend 1 gram to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So, you know, you kind of need to work out where you fall within that. There are a lot of calorie calculators out there. I built one over at Half Human, which I'll link below. So if you want to know on a higher protein diet how much protein you should be consuming, click the link there. You can go through, work it all out for you for free. It'll also tell you what your calories should be depending on your fitness goal. So really useful to know. If you don't already have all of those metrics mapped out and you're not tracking your calories, then you're doing yourself a massive disservice. Make sure you use the calculator and basically start eating your calories and your macros. Supplement number 4, HMB. It is a metabolite of leucine, which is one of our branched chain amino acids in our protein, and it basically can help reduce the cannibalization effects on our muscle cells, especially after hard workouts. We're working really hard to try and build our muscle up. We've already said we need to be getting adequate protein by supplementing with HMB as well, especially if you are taking things like an all-in-one protein. You will find a lot of the time they put HMB in there. So just double check, like I say, 3 grams a day, and it will just help protect the muscle that you're building and help that kind of breakdown and cannibalization. So HMB can be another really good one to supplement with. So before we get on to our last tip, I'd love to know, what is your go-to supplement when you're on a game, when you're on a bulk? What is your number 1 supplement? Let me know in the comments below, and let's get on to supplement number 5, which is ZMA, zinc, magnesium and vitamin B6. Now these are kind of like a double whammy. They help with that kind of anabolic growth hormone. They also help reduce our cortisol. So it's basically like a recovery supplement and a growth supplement in one. Can really help with like both arms of that, like I said. Also been shown to really help if you struggle sleeping like me, because you take it kind of 20 minutes, half an hour before bed and you're good to go. And basically just helps with your recovery, helps kind of protect those gains, get them locked in. So definitely a supplement worth having in your arsenal. So as always, I hope you found those tips useful. I'd love to know, like I said, in the comments below, what your go-to supplement is for gaining muscle mass. Let me know in the comments below. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you're new, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.